Good afternoon, student. I am Kasar YS teacher from Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Vidyalaya, Makmalabad High School. Today we have to see that the mathematics lesson. First lesson we have to study on that the standard 8 first lesson rational and irrational number. Now student, what is the rational number? So now first one is the introduction. In basically, suppose we have to study a last previous year for the what is the natural numbers, whole numbers, integrates and rational numbers, etc. So you know that. So recall it कि what is rational number. Suppose m upon n is equal to where m and where n. So our integrate and n is equal to n is not equal to 0. So there are infinite rational numbers. So in case of the rational numbers as on a number of line, let us learn to show the rational numbers on a number line. Remember that the number line 7 upon 3, 2 and minus 2 upon 3. So that is the number of line, and 0 to 4 and 0 to minus 4. So that is the number of line, that is the sequence. So 2 is the rational number and 7 upon 3 is equal to 7 multiplied by 1 upon 3. So it necessary the 1 upon 3 parts of the number is equal to 7 upon 3. So 0 up to besides number, the whole number of 7 upon 3. So next is the minus 2 upon 3. So in case 0 along with opposite sides, so the minus 2 upon 3. So point will be noted as the minus 2 upon 3, that is the irrational number. So now the solve it a practice set 1.1. So today we have to the first question solving this. So show the following numbers on a number line. So draw a separate number on the line for each example. Okay. So the line drawn for the separate one by one. So the each example of line of the rational and irrational numbers. So the gives example is 3 upon 2, 5 upon 2 and minus 3 upon 2. So 3 upon 2 is equal to what? 3 multiplied by 1 upon 2. So each unit from right side is 0 to be divided into 2 parts. Okay. So the 7 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, minus 4 upon 5. So that is the whole number of rational and irrational numbers. So minus number is irrational numbers and rational numbers is positive. So suppose the example of 7 upon 5 is equal to 7 into multiply by 1 upon 5, because each unit from the right sides to be the left on the sides and it particulates from it. So it denoted by the number and it denoted by the sequence. So students, suppose the next example we have to solve in minus 5 upon 8 and 11 upon 8. So 11 multiplied by 1 upon 8 parts. So each unit from the right side. So is 0 is divided into 8 equal parts. So the equal point is 11. So is equal to 11 upon 8. So the base number is equal numbers. Okay. That is the rational and irrational numbers. So suppose 13 upon 10 and minus 17 upon 10. So 13 upon 10. So 13 multiplied by 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10 is the each unit of the side is equal to be 0. Divided into the equal 10 parts. Okay. So now 13 is equal to 13 upon 2. So now this solve many examples from rational and irrational numbers. So which number, suppose second question you have to define as the observe the line and call the numbers. So which point indicates the number of, suppose 1 into 3 upon 4. So you have to solving that. So point 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So you have to calculate from the point 1 to 0, 0 to 1. So state whether the statement the point D denote the number of 5 upon 2. So that is true or false. So you have to see that true upon false. So that is the statement is true because of 5 upon 2, that is the denoted number. The unit of right side of 0 is divided into how many parts? So 4 parts. So that is the equal numbers. So I think you have to do on that the this topic of rational and irrational number. So keep in mind, students, suppose minus 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 3. So 3 is the base pair, 3 and 3, that is the equal parts. So point 0 to 3, so that is the equal in nature. So that is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4. So that is the difference in number. So that is the irrational number. And same number, that is the rational numbers. I think you get understand. So today we have to see about the rational and irrational numbers. That is the basic concept for the 8th standard. So we have to do on homework for the today. Exercise number 1.1, we have to solving that, and tomorrow lecture is the comparison of rational numbers. So if you does not understand, so you can talk with me, you can call with me. Okay, now we have to do discuss on it. Thank you.